What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got something a little bit different. I'm doing a review of my buddy's car. It's an Acura RSX. I won't give too much away right now, but he's driving up there. Can't really see it, but we're just going to go to a couple spots here and start filming, and we're going to show you his car.
Alright, so this is my 2005 Acura RSX Type S. I've had it for about 5 years. I bought it bone stock.
Damn, Mizzy Mari got beats.
First started with suspension. I got the DC Racing coilovers. They're fully adjustable. And then I got the Enkei RPF ones. They are 17 by 9 with a plus 35 offset. I got the Bridgestone 255 17s on all four corners. Then I got the Ktuned billet race shifter, which is amazing. I highly recommend it. A Momo steering wheel from Italy with suede leather. And then it was time to move the engine, so I got a professional to do all the work. His name's Gilles Valtor. He lives in a little French town outside of Moncton, New Brunswick. So we fully built the engine. It has a K20A3 bottom end with the K20 Z1 Type S head. It's been fully built with comp rods and pistons. I got the RRC intake manifold that's been corded and looks great. Next, we went with 1000cc injectors with the Ktuned fuel rail. I decided to go with Precision 6262 ball bearing turbo, which is normally like a Civic SI turbo, but he recommended it and it works great. 64 millimeter Tial wastegate and the matching blow-off valve. The intercooler has been custom fabricated to flow like twice as well, so that was nice. I saved a little money there. It's got a CX Racing thick wall Sidewider manifold, and then the wastegate's external, so I have a screamer pipe that comes out right under my seat, which makes some nice sounds. It has a standalone ECU. It has the Hondata K Pro, which is great, very easy to tune with, and I would highly recommend it. The wastegate spring is only 3 psi, but it has a AEM boost control solenoid. I went with the 3 gauges on the dash. They're all digital AEM for my boost, my air fuel ratio, and then my my oil pressure. I deleted the power steering. We went with the EP3 Pully for reliability. I was gonna go with the Ktuned power steering delete, but this pulley's a lot better for if you're driving it quite a bit. Right now, it's pushing 457 at the wheels. That was dyno tuned by Gilles in Moncton at BLP Automotive. You know, I'm happy with it. The only thing that's holding me back really is my fuel system. The returnless K-Series fuel systems, they come like that. So I just need to possibly upgrade the line back to the tank and then get a fuel pressure regulator. And then we can, you know, push this thing a bit harder, maybe 600 or 700 horsepower. And lastly, recently we just fabricated this front bash bar. I guess you can call it a front end, but I'm super happy with the way it turned out. It looks real aggressive, and you know, that's basically it. That's what's done to it right now. But
let's go. Honda power, baby.